to play for as the road to 2027 reaches a fever pitch. We welcome you to the Stade Rodrozami, where it is a warm one on the island of Guadeloupe. From Lagosier, as we get a look at our starting 11s, starting with Pia Sundhaga's 11. Not terms of the Dominican Republic, they make a few more changes. Betsaida Ubri, Alyssa Oviedo. Will it be Dominican Republic's long-awaited moment, or will Haiti continue its surge? Significant role in their successful qualifying for the Women's Gold Cup in 2024. Here's Domont, who has a pop, always rising. But an early warning shot from Haiti. And their successful qualification for the Women's Gold Cup a few years back. This hoofed into the area by a 1-0 scoreline, secured that monumental achievement. Mondesir was forced wide and could never put that on frame. Starting to see the Seattle. Something brewing for Haiti here. Joseph, early cross in, was trying to test the goalkeeper. And Gomez passed that test pretty confidently. Joseph and Mondesir running, a chance here. And Joseph just loses out. Gomez was off her line and knocked. Mondesir. Early challenge there. And Oviedo. Mondesir does go for goal, and it is right at Gomez. That the first. More than a few. No force to support the Grenadiers. There's an early break. Joseph on the turn. In swinger this time. It's right on the goalkeeper, and it requires Gomez to come in action. Handled it about as well as she could have. In acres of space. Plays it through. Chance brewing here! And just wide. Mondesir hooks it into the court of uncertainty. Orgela headed on to Ibrahim. Drives it low. Well, there's halftime whistle. Haiti in control, but nothing to show for it on the score sheet. As of now, they would progress, but only just. At half, that would be enough to send Haiti through to a fourth CONCACAF Cup. Dominican Republic can't navigate out of their own third here.